I saw a girl on here use Play-Doh and an ink pad to make stamps, and she put it on her teeth, so I kind of want to try that. I bought a brand new thingy of Play-Doh. It seems kind of gross to put it on your teeth, but I kind of just want to see how it would work out, because as a zine maker, you guys know that I love stamps. So I have like a little test sheet here for my printer. I'm going to use it to try out the stamp. So here we go. Oh, I'm kind of nervous to put on my teeth, but let's just see. Hold on. Play-Doh is non-toxic, right? It was like super salty. Blah. Look it, there's my teeth. Here's the ink pad. I'm gonna try it. This is what I saw her do. So, and then she just kind of pressed it. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. It kind of looks like when you Xerox something. Oh, this is so zine coated. Okay, now I gotta go make a zine.